Norse mythology has very interesting set of stories. According to Norse mythology, there are 9 worlds in all, and the center of it is the sacred Yggdrasil tree. Odin is the all-powerful All-Father, and his wife is goddess Freya. Odin has only one eye. Do you know why that is so? The Yggdrasil tree was proud and tall, and it connected all the 9 worlds through its branches and roots. The branches of the Yggdrasil tree extended to the heavens, and the roots extended deep beneath other worlds. One of the roots was to Ardr wells. This was looked after by the non-maidens. And who were the non-maidens? They knew the fates of all, and they were given the job of watering the Yggdrasil tree. It was because of the non-maidens that this tree was always green and beautiful. Interestingly, another root of the Yggdrasil tree had the Mimir's well. Now, coming back to Odin, he was the wisest among all the gods, and he kept knowing more and more because of his 2 ravens, Hugin and Munin. The 2 ravens brought Odin news from all over. Once, the 2 ravens told Odin about Mimir's well. Odin learned that the water from Mimir's well was not just plain water. Any person who drank these water would become wise beyond all other. Once Odin came to know about this, he realized that he had to have a drink from the well. He realized that he had to have the waters of the well. So one day, after the sun had set, Odin left for Mimir's secret well. Odin reached the well and saw the crystal clear waters in the well, and that was when he heard movement behind him. Odin saw a very old man looking at him calmly. "I am Mimir. What do you want, Odin?" "I have come for some water from the well taken from your horn," Odin told the old man eagerly. "Why do you want the waters from this well?" Odin nodded. "I know many things. My ravens keep me well informed, but I wish to know everything. I wish to see everything. For that wisdom, I need to drink from the waters of your well. That well belongs to me, and I do not offer the water to all," Mimir told Odin finally. "I will pay you anything for it," Odin insisted again. "You said you wish to see it all." Mimir studied Odin sharply. "Then that is the price I need. I need one of your eyes. In return, I will let you drink the water from my well." Odin did not hesitate. He knew that the wisdom which was to be his was much greater than the sight of an eye. Odin left one of his eyes at the bottom of Mimir's well, and that is where it is believed to lie even now. In return, Odin had the water from Mimir's well, and Odin became the wisest among all gods. That is the reason Odin, the All-Father, is without an eye. As an additional fact, do you know that the names of Odin's 2 ravens are interesting? Because literally translated, Hugin means thought and Munin means memory. I hope you enjoyed the story.